Dear friends, welcome to mick.how YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to repair Handsfree. Handsfree is very easy to repair because it has no micks, no capacitors, and no transistors. It has only simple wire connections inside. These are the connections with the speaker and the mic that are broken. We can easily reuse our Handsfree by repairing it. Especially the branded high-quality Handsfree that we must repair it. This will reduce the burden on Earth resources. And it will save our money. There are 3 things in a Handsfree: left speaker, right speaker, and the third is its mic. There is also a button on the mic box. This button works when the mic's wires are shorted. It is connected to a mobile phone via a Handsfree jack. Now let me tell you where the fault may be. There may be a problem with the left speaker, or be in right, or inside this little mic box, or the problem is inside jack. Connections may be lost from within any one of these 4 points. Whenever you have to repair any Handsfree, first install it with your mobile phone. Then shake it from different places. Wherever the sound comes from shaking, there may be a fault inside. Take a look at the 4 points I've made to you. Try shaking with a Handsfree jack. If the sound is coming, then the fault is inside it. Also, shake the wires from both sides of the mic box to see if there is any sound. Shake the both speakers also. In short, I want to say find the place where the fault is. This is the number 1 point. Point number 2. What to do if there is no sound from moving any place. I shake from all these places but no sound came. We have to start looking for faults from the beginning. For example, we have to start with the speakers. We have to open the speaker which does not work. It is very easy to open the speaker. If there is any speaker, if you look at this place, you will see the opening place. Above this place there are 2 pieces which are separated. These 2 parts are connected. You have to take any cutter or knife. Place this cutter or knife on top of these 2 parts. After placing it on top of this place, you have to press it down. At the same time move left and right. That's how it will open. Look, it's a little shaky. Now I am opening it more with the help of cutter. Go a little further and open. This is a work in progress. If you pull the both parts, the speaker inside will be destroyed. Therefore, the 2 parts have to be separated only with the help of a cutter. Do not pull with the hands. Now look inside. Consider this. Look, the speaker had 2 connections. One of them is broken. One wire was in the left and the other in the right. We attach this wire with the help of soldering iron. Viewers, that I just told you was a situation where if we shake it from anywhere, there is no sound. Now let me tell you what we need to do if sound come and goes by shaking jack. This means that the connections inside the jack are broken. First of all, you have to cut this jack from here. Now take out the wires inside it. Here I take off the insulator by turning it round. Inside it are 4 different colored wires. Always whenever you cut the Handsfree jack, we will find only 4 colored wires inside it. Apply a little solder on all these wires. All wires are soldered. Now we have to open this jack. To open this jack, you place the cutter on top of it and pull it straight down. Now, with the help of your nails, remove the rubber on top of it. Try not to break the wires on the jack, which are red, golden, green and blue, so that with their help we can identify which wire to put where. But here the wires are broken. Let's go. Now I will teach you how to recognize these wires. Now we will learn where the blue, green, red, golden wires are to be found. If you open the Handsfree jack, we see something like this inside the rubber. Let's understand this inside in colors. All of these connections are something like this. Everything below is connected to the top. As the colors match, so do their connections. At the top is left audio. Right audio below. Ground below. Mic below. Their connection with hands-free is something like this. Here it is written common. Common means that this string is common to all. This means that the leaf audio, right audio and mic is the common thread of all. Let's start from the top. If this is leaf audio, then it will go to left speaker. Below this is right audio, so it will go inside right speaker. At the bottom is the red color at the mic, so the wire of the mic will go inside the mic. Now viewers, we have to find out which of these strings is the leaf right speaker, mic and common. Take a battery. And take off the cover on top of it. This is two hands-free speakers. I am putting left into your left and right into your right ear. This is a hands-free map I made. You have to make it and keep it with you. You grab one of these four wires and connect it to the negative terminal of the cell. Attach the red to the negative and the other wires alternately to the positive. I did not hear any loud noises. Now I do it on the side. And I grab the next one. Now I check the rest of the wires in turn by putting the golden negative. Now there is a clear sound in my left ear. When we give current inside these two wires, the sound comes inside our left ear, which means that these are the wires of the left speaker. Now we have to find the right speaker. One of them will be common. Commonly golden is ground or common. We consider this to be common. Now I put the golden one in the negative and the remaining one wire. Look, the sound is coming in our right ear. Dude, this is a red wire. It's mic. Golden is our common thread. Blue is our left ear. Green is our right ear. When I touched the green wire, believing golden to be common, a voice came to our right ear. And when I touched the blue wire, there was a sound in our left ear. Now we can write here. The mic will always be red. The golden color is always the common ground. The green wire always belongs to the right speaker. The blue wire is always the left speaker. Always inside every hands-free. Blue color for left speaker. Green for right speaker. Golden color is common. Red is for the mic. That's all I could tell you. I told you to look for the wires because sometimes the hands-free wires can be of different colors. Then you have to find yourself. But the colors are coming from the ordinary hands-free. These are the four colors. First apply a little solder over these points. Now lay the wires according to the same diagram. First red. Then golden. Then green. Then blue. Then straighten the wires by twisting it slightly. This is the same rubber we cut. We will pack this jack inside this rubber. I have this transparent tape. I squeeze the tape and put it on top of this jack, so that it is firmly packed inside. Put 2 or 3 twists of tape on it. I cut the tape. The hands-free jack is packed. Now I will catch it with the help of a cloth. I keep the hands-free jack up, and I put it on any surface. Here I put 2 or 3 drops of glue. Now let it dry for 10 minutes. Then your hands-free jack is ready to use. Dear friends, here is our informative video on repairing hands-free. We hope you find it useful. We will be happy if you like our work. Thank you so much for giving us time. Take care of yourself.